Shut up, I know. Ilagay mo na yan dito. Huh? Ilagay mo na yan dito.
I don't know yet.
It's not summer yet. It's not winter yet, but I'm wearing a sweater because if you can see, it is raining and it's gloomy. It's 11:38 in the morning. Nag-sweater lang ako kasi sobrang ginaw. And yeah, we don't even turn the AC on. Look, it's wet. It's been raining. And we are planning to go to the bridge today with my sister-in-law. And I guess not because look, it's raining. Oh, me and my sister-in-law went yesterday picking. She gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. And she gave she gave me 3 pears, green, and 1 brown one. I'm gonna start drinking water with lemon. You guys comment like, you know, somebody comment the video said that I just keep eating. Yes guys, I eat 3 times a day just like everyone else, normal. But the only thing that you see me, why you see I keep eating, because I film every time not every time I film. For example, I wanna do mukbang for today and I will film it, so that's why you think that I just keep eating. And this is the lemon. It's washed, so I'll put that right here. And yeah, I'll put that right there. Oh, my mother is awake. My mother-in-law is awake. But anyway guys, I'm just gonna put lemon water and put it in the refrigerator to make it cold. Then I have something to drink. I just really need to keep drinking water, period, because I haven't. Oh my god guys, you don't have any idea. Anyway, just keep following me. You guys just gonna keep following me. Ganito kasi ako guys, kapag sobra akong gutom at saka kakain ako, busog na. Pero yung katawan ko hindi pa rin malakas. Ano ba tawag doon eh? Yung ano bang pinunta ko dito? My tripod. Yeah, so I did eat already, and then my body doesn't feel like, you know, strong. It's still kind of lousy, not lousy. And no strength, yun. Walang lakas pa rin yung katawan ko. Yeah, so I'm gonna do her makeup, and she's just getting dressed. Like, she just not really get dressed, it's just like top. Iwan ko ba, bakit hindi pa ako walang lakas? Ano ba to? Even it's raining, it's still nice and nice outside, but it's kind of chilly. You guys wanna go out? Okay, let's go out. Hi guys, we decided to go to my sister-in-law's house. They invited us for pizza party. No, it's just they're having pizza and they want us to go there, so we're just gonna go there. And of course, this dimpler's right here. Look at the face. Look at the face of my little girl. Little girl. Now you're not a little anymore. You're a fat girl. I'm sorry, I call you fat, but you're my baby. You are my little baby girl. Yes, you are. I love her so much. Is it?
I'm gonna pull it a little bit over there. We go. That's it. That covers the. Okay. I don't want to, you know, to lose them, that they fall off.
You have your seat belt with you?
My what?
Seat belt.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, give it to me.
Okay, let me pull it long enough. Oh.
We need the address, you know?
Oh, you need the address to go there.
21, right? So time check guys, it is 3:31 in the afternoon. So yeah, it's kinda late, but we're gonna have dinner over there. Shut up, I know. Keep talking. You just keep repeating herself, like
she'll never give you directions again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a day for go to the bridge at all. Look how gray it is. There's a spot of blue.
Because we supposedly be going to the bridge.
Yeah, look, it seems like it's starting to rain a little bit here.
Yeah. And the day is not good.
No, it's not a good day. But I found something else to do.
Yeah, I was texting my sister-in-law, guys, her picture when I put makeup on, the look. And her son, Steven, ended up like saying that they're gonna have pizza party. It's just not party, it's just a pizza for dinner. So they invited us if we want to come. So, okay, let's go. Let's go, even though the drive is kind of like, it's you know, it's raining. Okay guys, I will see you later. So what is it, ma'am? Is it comfortable for now in the ride?
Very
Running?
comfortable so far.
It's not hurting your the phone?
Not hurting me, no.
Okay.
I guess it's a soft, you know.
It's very soft.
It's very soft, yeah. So it's not, you don't feel the bump or the movement that much.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto US 9 West North.
So which is good.
Yeah.
And then I will let Tommy try it too, so
Yeah.
that he knows.
You can have that one.
Oh, thanks. Do you want a quarter? Thank you.
Okay, it's weird guys, you have to pay to have the cart.
The thing is, people leave them in the, if you don't do that, people leave them in the thing, and then the wind comes and it knocks the car, and...
Okay, we're in Adams guys. And that's I'm with my sister-in-law again. It sucks, right?
Yeah.
It sucks to be with her again. Oh, it's nice here.
And if you want to walk around, they have the gift shop around that way. That's I'm surprised Mom didn't come in, because she likes the gift shop, but whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
It takes you longer though.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just gonna follow her, guys. There's a lot of chases right here.
She doesn't know where I'm going.
Yeah. What are you looking for?
I bought that kale salad near your house, so I want to...
Oh, that's over there. That's feta.
Yeah,
Feta
I put
cheese.
feta in it, but I don't want a whole lot.
No, it's all small. It's all the same sizes. Oh no.
I don't like one much.
This is where she get our lunches sometimes. This is where she get our lunch sometimes. It's weird. Look. The woman said cheese.
Ah, she did? I was wondering, I'm like, what?
Yeah.
I like chicory.
Chicory? What is chicory?
Yeah, it's,
that one? That one?
no,
Oh.
it's a head. I'm going up the aisle. I don't have it. I like making salad with it.
But that one, that's a good. Oh, I like that.
Do you?
Yeah.
I like chicory.
Oh, sorry. She's coming. Is he coming? That's good. I like that.
Everyone's always rude in this place.
Hi guys, shout out guys. I'm sorry, my shout out it's always long, but because I don't want to do a shout out every other day or every day, I'm gonna take a time to do a shout out. But anyway guys, I'm gonna do insert shout out this time. And yeah, I have some shout outs here on my laptop. MaryAnn.A hi sis, thank you for watching MaryAnn. Shout out to Michelle Dait, hi sis. Thank you for watching. Malo Kalamba Corgi, hi sis Malo, thank you for watching. And also another shout out right here on my screenshot. Her name on YouTube is MJY. And then sa nagpa-shout out sa Riyadh King Faisal Hospital. Where is this? Riyadh? Yeah, Riyadh Faisal Hospital. Faisal or Faisal? Faisal or Faisal Hospital. Hi! Thank you Sakay MJY. That's her YouTube name. Hi, whoever's watching. Hi guys, how are you? Thumbs up, you working hard. Another shout out kay Jel Koimo. Hi sis Jel, thank you for watching. And another also shout out to Rachel Alcazar. Hi sis, thank you for watching from Saudi. Thank you sis, thank you. Tama sa mga OFW dyan na nanonood sa akin. Thank you guys. Anyway guys, salamat sa inyo sa mga OFW na who's watching right now. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. And if you are not subscribed into this channel, please subscribe if you wanna, you know, update my life here. We don't know, there's another story about the house, planning of selling it. But anyway, just keep watching guys. If you wanna know, just keep subscribing my channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. I have to follow her guys kasi marami nang sa kamay niya, mabigat na. Okay, ilagay mo na yan dito. Huh? Ilagay mo na yan dito.
I don't know yet. Maybe he understood. I didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ignore it too.
He's looking at me like I'm crazy. Don't worry, I'm really crazy.
You know what? Because he opens these and he doesn't use them. So
Why don't you just get can one?
I should get
Small one.
but I don't see. Maybe I'll get ginger ale just because I thought he said he had ginger ale.
Look how
though.
tiny is that, guys.
Yeah, why don't they have diet? Why are people drinking this crap?
Yeah. Ginger ale Canada Dry. It's really good though.
Yeah, but I think he said he had.
He's looking for a head.
The big floppy ears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have a nice meat section here. I like it. It's cleaner.
And then they have the fish.
Let it check.
No, and actually he just took it for a checkup. He should have asked, but you know what? He wouldn't have asked anyhow because he thinks I'm crazy. But you know what? When you're the one that drives the car, it doesn't really matter. But that's a difference I see. This car seems to drive really smooth.
Yeah, I feel safe in this car. That's why I keep telling Tommy, Han, I miss the black car because that's where I really used to drive. But this one makes so much noise when it's like you don't brake and it's very close to the car.
This one does?
Yeah. It tells you that you are not paying attention.
Oh, do you hear that a lot?
Yeah. No, it's not. Tommy, are you kidding me, Tommy?
Yeah, that's when I test drove the car, and you know, I was telling the guy, and he's like, "Oh yeah, it stops itself." So I'm like, let's drive into a tree and find out. He's like, yeah, maybe not. Hello. We are around.
Hi, Zoe. Open your legs. You're funny, Zoe.
Is she coming?
Look pretty sexy.
She's posing for you.
Yeah.
My son, you know.
She's not even moving.
Yes, you're not supposed to cut lettuce.
Why?
You're not supposed to.
What?
didn't
You
know
just
that?
like eat it, supposedly?
You're supposed to break it.
Ah, you should break it.
Ah, but I'm cutting it. It's like, oh, you're bitching, and he turned around. Because I wanted to go. And yeah, they're nice.
I'm still here, guys. In my sister-in-law's house.
The young.
Okay, time check now. What is the time? Is it 8 something? 8 o'clock. You're going out?
Oh, I'm gonna just walk outside of it.
Oh my goodness! Let me get some sleeper. Let me get some sleeper. Flip flops.
What are you doing?
She's taking videos of everybody.
No, not just everybody. It's me. It's that guy right there.
True.
Where are you?
What are you talking about that?
Oh. Okay.
Oh yeah, they had so they had little buckets of like 4 or 5 like zucchini and summer squash, and I was gonna actually ask them to mix them.
Really?
And they probably would let me. She was talking though, and then I decided just to get. So they're like $3 for 4 or 5, but then you can get the bigger ones for like $1. I'm like,
I have hot chocolate. What are you having?
Coffee.
She have coffee and she want that pinky thing. Hi guys, we are going home. Look at the children.
Fred, are you coming
Hi
in to go to bed?
Fred! Bye Andrea. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Be careful driving back in that dark road.
Yeah, thank you for the dinner and everything.
Pizza?
It's good.
Yeah.
are heading home. Sorry.
What are you doing? Taking a picture of you driving? That's a little scary.
No, right now I'm not driving yet. I'm video. Hi guys, good evening. I don't know, it's 11 o'clock in the evening, and of course Hubs is right here. We just got home a while ago. So yeah, I'm gonna edit the video right here. Well, there's one video edited. This video that I'm editing, re-editing again, because he whined too much. But anyway, I re-edited this video because I edited this yesterday. 2 days actually. I edited 2 days. Well, it's not the whole day of 2 days, but I put some music. I got that from SoundCloud. I end up having a copyright. I uploaded it on YouTube, and then the YouTube I don't put it live yet, but the YouTube sent me an email, or the Google, that it says the music that I add on my video, it's copyright, so I will delete it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and good night. Tomorrow is early. I'm gonna go early, drop her off, and yeah, so that's really it guys. Thank you all guys so much for watching. We're having fun today. We had pizza, we had salad, and then we have dessert. My sister-in-law made me a hot chocolate. It was really good. Why are you crying, Bug? You're crying like crazy, my man. Oh, naku. Look at it. It's just... no. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow early. And I forgot the camera. The camera is still in the car. And yes, so I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Night, Bug. Night, Bug. Night, Bug. Night, guys. Bye-bye. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, it feels hard. Oh man, this one leads to sleep.